Southwest Mock 2026. This is paper 1 E-Science for intermediate level. Grammar school students offering physics at the ordinary level also need this question. So the question we'll be looking at today is question 25. It says copper is used in making jewelry because it is A, very durable and heavy, B, shiny and does not easily corrode, C, very malleable and ductile, D, abundant and cheap. Well, looking at these options, what are some of the properties of copper? First, copper is malleable. This is the ability of a metal to be hammered into thin sheets. Copper is also ductile, which means it can be drawn into thin wires. Copper is shiny, especially when polished, but it actually corrodes. It oxidizes quite fast, easily turning into green over time. So let's now look at the different options. A says it is very durable and heavy. Well, copper might be durable, yes, but we don't want our jewelry to be made of heavy material, right? Jewelry will be worn on people, so we don't want it to be heavy. So basically, copper is not heavy, and being heavy is not going to help us much to use it for jewelry. B says it is shiny and does not easily corrode. Yes, copper is shiny. It shines when polished, but copper corrodes easily, so the second choice is not true. The fourth one says it is abundant and cheap. Being abundant and cheap favors the use of copper on an industrial level for industrial purposes, not for jewelry. It is true that copper is cheaper than gold, but that is not the main reason why copper is preferred. So the answer is copper is very malleable and ductile. Because it is very malleable and ductile, it can be used by craftsmen, artisans, and jewelers to be able to produce different kinds of jewelries of intricate and complicated shapes and designs. So this is the main reason why copper is preferred for the use in the making of jewelry.